2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS has undergone significant enhancements, solidifying its position at the forefront of luxury electric vehicles. One of the most notable upgrades is the introduction of a larger 118 kWh battery, replacing the previous 108.4 kWh unit. This enhancement not only increases the vehicle's electric range but also aligns with Mercedes-Benz's commitment to advancing EV technology. In terms of design, the EQS now features a refined front fascia. The new grille design incorporates flush-mounted chrome slats, offering an elegant contrast to the deep black surroundings. Additionally, the iconic Mercedes-Benz standing star now adorns the hood, adding a touch of classic luxury to this modern vehicle. The interior of the EQS has been meticulously crafted to enhance passenger comfort. Rear passengers benefit from rapid heating seats, neck and shoulder heating, and comfort pillows with contrast stitching and Nappa leather piping. These features ensure a luxurious and comfortable ride for all occupants. Technological advancements are also prominent in the 2025 EQS. The vehicle is equipped with the next-generation Mercedes-Benz User Experience MBUX system, featuring a standard MBUX hyperscreen. This system combines 3 displays into a single, seamless unit, providing an intuitive and immersive user experience. In response to market dynamics, Mercedes-Benz is offering substantial discounts on its 2025 EV lineup. For instance, the AMG EQS sedan is available with a $15,000 discount, making this luxury EV more accessible to a broader range of customers. In summary, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS represents a harmonious blend of enhanced performance, refined design, and advanced technology. With its increased range, luxurious features, and strategic pricing, the EQS continues to set a high standard in the luxury electric vehicle market.